Samoa is moving closer to achieve its target to be 100% dependent on renewable energy by next year, 2017. This is through the launch of one more renewable energy project, the Faleata racecourse solar plant today, that will produce 2.1 megawatts of electricity to be sold to the general public through the Electric Power Corporation. The new solar plant is located in the middle of the Faleata racecourse, and the electricity it will produce will save almost 2 million litres of diesel on average each year and displace approximately 5,115 tonnes of carbon dioxide annually. The project is owned by Solar for Samoa and was launched today by the Prime Minister, Tuila Epa Sailele Maliele Ngaoi.
It was, I think, the first company that the government granted approval because we were fascinated with the demonstration which they came and showed to Cabinet, especially after we had seen a replay of a video of the latest technology and the use of plastic as panels to create electricity from the sun. After we had seen the demonstration over the television, I had seen it in Qatar in one of the conferences that I attended. And the two promoters turned up so soon. We were very surprised and supportive, especially when they came with a kind of toy panel that started to register electricity accumulation without the sun but with the light. So it started to create electricity from the light. We were quick to approve this company in the beginning. And then time after time, they came for changes, recommendations, which tantamounted to more for them and less for the EPC. And EPC was hard to cool down. They wanted to axe your company. But finally, we have seen the product of your slow and steady progress. Today we have witnessed the completion of this stage, with another stage to come that will give you the capacity to produce 5.1 megawatt. Congratulations to the company, and I wish you success and wish you your contribution towards the reduction of electricity charge to our consumers. Wakakala ia loko company niaso soifua mayamnuia.
The project is the first stage of Solar for Samoa, of its total 5.2 megawatts solar photovoltaic project, which supports the Samoan government's commitment to 100% renewable energy target by 2017. Solar for Samoa's second 3.1 megawatts solar facility is under construction near the Faleolo International Airport and is scheduled to come online in the middle of this year.